I have a very special fried rice recipe to share with us today. I bet you like what you're seeing on your screen right now. Okay, just watch this video to the end and see how I prepared this pot of yumminess. Alright, here I have some green pepper. I'm using it for added aroma and taste. Then I have some garlic and ginger. I also have green beans that is already sliced, green bell pepper, spring onions, some sliced carrots, and then I have my goat meat plus some other spices. Now to start off with, I have my goat meat properly washed and transferred into the pot. Here I'm adding some the ginger and garlic paste mixed together and some pepper. Also added some onion slice and I added salt to taste, and I also added thyme. Give it a stir, mix it properly together and cover it. Allow it to marinate for 2 hours, and after that I open it up, add some water, light my gas and start cooking my meat until it becomes soft. It has to be well soft. Okay, now to another pot, I boil water. Here I will just wash the rice, transfer it to the water, give it a stir. Like, it's not like I'm parboiling it, I just want to kind of wash it with a very hot water. Okay, so I give it a stir and I sieve it out. After I sieved it out, I transfer it back to the pot again and add the meat stock. The stock I got from the goat's meat, that is what I'm going to add. Then if you need extra water, you can go ahead and add extra water. I also add some turmeric, curry powder and salt to taste. This is what is going to give my rice, this fried rice, the color I want it to have. All right, so here I found out that the color was not really popping the way I want it to pop. I went ahead and added some more turmeric powder, give it a stir, then cover it, then cook it on a medium heat so it doesn't burn. Then to another pot, I have some coconut oil. I added to the pot and now went ahead to add the green pepper. Remember the green pepper I showed you? Okay, that is what I just added. Add some sliced onions, then the ginger and garlic paste. If you're using garlic to cook, make sure that you don't use too much because it can actually come out in your sweat. The smell is not usually good. So I added some sliced green beans, the carrots and salt to taste. All right, I added everything and stir it properly, mix it well. This time we are cooking on a low heat. Okay, when I've stirred it for about few minutes, let me say 1 minute, I went ahead to add other veggies, the green bell pepper and the spring onions. I don't want my veggies overcooked, so that is why I'm cooking on a low heat. And altogether, I think I cooked this for about less than 2 minutes. Yeah, let's say 2 minutes altogether. And when it is done, and I transferred it to my pot of rice. You see how that color, the color of this rice is popping. All right, so now I just added some green peas and some sweet corn, and now my goat meat, and mix everything well together. At this point, the heat is off. I've put off the heat so I can be able to turn it well, and I don't want it to burn. Okay, guys, so I mixed it well properly together. Please guys, please, I'm begging you, share this video, give it a like. If you're not yet following my page, please follow, stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel as well, please subscribe and turn off the notification button. Support your girl, share this video. If you love this rice that you're seeing, if you like what you're seeing on your screen right now, please give this video a like, share, drop a lovely comment, tell me where you're watching from. Okay, so now our rice is ready. It's time to dish it out, and trust me, this is a healthy meal. This is one way to enjoy rice with lots of vegetables. You can add more vegetables if you like. And remember, we are cooking with no seasoning. Yeah, using all natural spices for a delicious and healthy meal. Stay tuned. Next video, I'm making a list of some of the spices you can use to get a very healthy, delicious meal.